Welcome to our channel. Today, we're talking about PEPE Coin's price prediction for December 2025 and the latest updates on this popular meme coin. Currently, PEPE is trading at 0.00000079 with a market cap of $3.55 billion. Over the past few months, PEPE has experienced some volatility. In December 2024, its market cap had crossed $9 billion, but after some corrections, it's now stabilizing around the $3 billion range. Despite this, meme coins continue to attract strong community support, keeping PEPE relevant in the market. Looking at historical price action, PEPE's all-time high was 0.000028. Many analysts predict that this level could be broken by December 2025 if the crypto market enters another bull run. Several factors could drive PEPE's price upward, including increasing adoption, new exchange listings, and overall market sentiment. Technically, PEPE is currently holding at a key support level. If it maintains this position and a bullish trend emerges, we could see a gradual climb. Some predictions suggest that PEPE could reach or even exceed 0.00003 by the end of 2025, provided the market remains favorable. However, as with any crypto asset, external factors and overall market trends will play a big role in its price movement. What do you think about PEPE's future? Will it break its all-time high in 2025? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more updates, and we'll see you in the next video.